time to dig out that bucket and spade now as we head to the North Wales coast for a tour around a beautiful seaside home.
We saw this in the local newspaper. It's a magnificent marine residence, so we thought we'd just have a quick look and then off back to London. So we did have a quick look, and then that was the end of the story, really. We loved the property, we just thought it had a lot of charm and was really unusual, and we just fell in love with it really when we saw it. Well, the house had been a holiday home for many years. It's sort of been run down, really. None of the windows would open, so the plaster work was all addled inside. It needed a lot of care and attention. It had been a long time since it had actually been home. The end rooms, where the kitchen and dining room were actually two separate rooms, and the kitchen was very dark and sort of triangular shape. So we took the wall out to open the rooms up, let the light in, and have a look at the view. The first thing we did was replace all the windows, and then we put a wooden floor in as well to warm the place up, and then generally just decorating, just a spot of paint. The kitchen, although we did replace the units, we kept the colour scheme because I liked the colour scheme and it worked well with the Argo. We used a lot of bright colours and light colours, almost sort of 50s colours I think, to sort of seaside colours really. The doors in the hallway, they're all different colours because my father was staying in the summer and found lots of old paint pots in the shed. It was just jolly and sort of again goes with the sort of seasidey feel of the place. The only room really where we use very strong colours is the living room, and that's because we wanted to create a warm, cosy feeling away from the dark nights or the stormy nights, and somewhere where you can just get away from the elements if you want to. Houses do have character, and it's nice to reflect that in the materials and things that you choose to put in them. I think you can mix contemporary with old, and you don't have to stick to a certain style, you know, just because it's a 30s house or whatever. You can mix and match. The fish in the living room we bought on holiday, went diving in the Maldives, thought it looked very much like a barracuda, so wanted to bring that home with us. There are a lot of local craftsmen that we can call upon, and it's nice living in a small community because everybody knows somebody that can do a bit of something. The natural surroundings are very inspirational, so I'd like to incorporate that into the house where we can. The rugs I've chosen look like a beach. I love living here. It's really beautiful, it's relaxing. We're not on a holiday here, we actually live here, so we are very much involved in the community. We've been really lucky and been really welcomed. It's been really good. It's been a good move from a city.